Right, the last of the small repairs, and a new idler. This is so as the turntable spins at the right speed and also doesn't slip, and a new stylus. So this is a pure stylus just for LPs, both sides. So let's give it a go. Right, let's test her out. It's going to be Elvis. Let's play the first track. Of course, you can eject at any time. It's working well. You couldn't call this a record changer unless it could put more than one record on, and it certainly can do that. The rubber idler wheel needs replacing on this record player, so I need to remove the C-clip. And lift the spindle. It doesn't lift up on this one. Then you've got to lift the turntable. Like so. Right, so what happens on these is the rubber gets hard, and that's why it slips. This rubber wheel runs against the inside of this rim, so it's obviously slipping. And it's because the rubber's, it's very, very hard. So we take this off, same thing, little clip, try not to lose it. Right, what we'll have to do, we'll have to measure the width and then look for a replacement. So use micrometer to measure the width. 39.6, so I'd say it's 40 millimeters. So let's see what we can find on eBay, or you never know, Amazon. Right, part we require, coming from eBay. Try not to mix them up. Looks identical. So this is the old one, so I'll move that out of the way. We've just got to fit this one under this turntable. Keep the clips. Right, we need to lift the turntable. So we've got the washer still there. Right, need to squeeze the clip on with a pair of pliers. Like so. That's it, screwdriver with the turntable, put the clip in. Right, time to test it out. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Next record. Sounds fine. So to conclude, to fix both the B.S.R or the Garrard, you need to replace this idler wheel, and then your platter will turn at the right speed and there'll be no hesitation. That's it, all fixed.